Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to set your TikTok account to private. First, open up TikTok. Once TikTok is open, you want to select the three lines at the top right of the screen. From here, you want to select the second option, Settings and Privacy. Once the settings area has opened up, you want to select the second option, Privacy. And from here, you want to change the bar on the first option, Private Account. This should show green. And now your account is private. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you again soon.